Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by switching to a desktop browser that gives full image controls. Open Google Images and immediately set tools, right arrow size, and pick large or enter exact pixels. Once done, avoid the quick preview. Click the image title to open the direct view because the preview often scales thumbnails. Make sure to use the image's original tab. This prevents automatic downscaling. If you need a specific resolution, type it into the search. For example, 1920 x 1080, and move on to inspecting file details. Now you inspect the opened image to confirm true resolution and format. You want to see real pixel dimensions in the new tab. If it reads 800 x 600, it's not high-res. If the image is WebP or scaled by the host, click the site link to access the original file or download button. Once you have the file URL, append common modifiers. Remove sizing query strings to fetch the uncropped original. Make sure to use the browser's download or save as to preserve quality. Finish by downloading the original and opening it at native size to verify clarity. View at 100% zoom so you see actual pixels. If the download still appears blurry, try view source on the image URL or check Google's cached/archived copies to locate an uncompressed version. Make sure to run a reverse image search to find the same photo on other hosts. Often a different site stores a sharper copy. If nothing works, one troubleshooting tip: clear cache or use an incognito window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.